Hi everyone, this is Mr. Delicious, the Filipino traveling tutor and coach, and I am positioning myself here on this side so that it will be different introduction. Okay, now we are now moving to our next video, and this video is for question number 41 and 42. Okay, what do you think would be the question for question 41 and 42, and what topic in preparation for your national examination? Again, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, you better subscribe now. You better subscribe my YouTube channel now, because when you subscribe my YouTube channel, you will always be notified whenever I upload a video. It's up to you, like blue you. Suppose you no subscribe me, yeah. I'm no worry blue me. I'm worry blue you. Okay? So you better sorry, I was talking in Tokpisin. Tokpisin, the national language of Papua New Guinea. And speaking of Papua New Guinea, tomorrow is the 16th of September, and the Papua New Guinea is going to celebrate their independence, the 46th Independence Day celebration. That's why I am wearing the PNG. This one is, I was told that it's called wool cap, and this one is the bilum. These were given to me by my former students here in Papua New Guinea. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's now proceed to our tutorial, because me, Mr. Delicious, doesn't want to waste time when it comes to this kind of matter, because wasting time is a waste of money, and we don't want to do that one. Okay. Although this one is free, I am using my own resources to have this video tutorial for free to all of you. All you need to do is subscribe my YouTube channel, watch my videos, all my video tutorials, and you will be the one to benefit. You will benefit, of course, because this is all for you. Okay, this is my gift for you. Okay, and for those students who are what do you call it, doing their home study, this is also the best one. And comment below. You comment below if you have anything to say. Maybe sometimes appreciate what I am doing here. Okay, all right. So am I boring you? Okay, I hope not. Maths is not a boring subject. It's fun. I love mathematics. Okay, now let's come to question number 41. Before I show that, I am going to erase first the writing on the board, so we can continue question number 41 using the past exam papers, year 2010. I hope that my voice is clear and loud and clear to all of you to hear. Okay, now let's now have this question number 40. I am a right-handed person, so that's why I have to position this side. This is question number 41, and it's all about linear function or linear equation. We have the points in the table lie on a straight line. What is the y-intercept of the line? Y-intercept of the line. Given these points here, okay, we have x. These are the coordinates of the x. This is y. These are the coordinates. So this is the first point on the line. The x-coordinate of that point on the line is 3. The y-coordinate of that point on that line is 5. The second point on that straight line, the x-coordinate is 5, whilst the y-coordinate is 9. The third point, that point is on that straight line, same straight line. The x-coordinate is 6, whilst the y-coordinate is 11. Okay? So, this table here given leads you to find the answer to the question. The question is, what is the y-intercept of the line? Okay. This is, let me draw it again here. This is the table. The table we have the x, this is the y, this is 3, this is 5, and this is 5, and this is 9, and the last one is this is 6, and this is 11. Now the equation of a line, okay, this is the slope-intercept equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, this c here is the y-intercept. The y-intercept. And this x here and the y, these are this x and y here, these are the coordinates of the point of that same line. And then this m here, this m is the gradient, or also known as the slope. Okay, so meaning that any of these points here, 3 and 5, 5 and 9, 6 and 11, can be substituted to this equation of our x here and the y. But there will be two unknowns. Remember that our objective is to find the y-intercept, which is c. In order for us to find the c, we need to find first the value of the m. So the gradient of 2 points, okay, using the 2 points of that straight line. Say for example, we will use 5 and 3, so 5 and 9, and then 3 and 5. Okay, so the gradient of points is we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So you remember this formula, grade 10? Do you remember this formula? This is a formula, this is what we call points formula, using the points in order to find the gradient. Point gradient formula, this point gradient formula. So we use the y sub 2, okay, we can use 5 and 9 as our this part here. And then y sub 1 and x sub 1, we can use 3 and 5. Or you can interchange it. It doesn't matter. You will still come up with the same gradient because the points are on the same line. So it's just like this. Like that. It's a line. Okay? This is the first point, A. This is the second point, B. This is the third point, C. So assuming that this point is A, this one is B, and this one is C. So I'm going to use this one. Y sub 2, I will use this one. So our y is 9. 9 minus our y sub 1 is 5. So I'm using that one, 5. Then x sub 2 is 5. And then minus, I am using this, 3. Now, you have to remember to memorize this formula because you will not be provided the formula of this point gradient formula. So, you have to remember this formula. So, the gradient now is 9 minus 5 is 4, divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, the final answer, the gradient is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay? So our gradient or our slope is 2. Now again, this is not yet the final and correct answer because we have to work out the y-intercept. So finally now we have to find the gradient, to find the y-intercept rather, is we'll now have to rewrite the formula y equals mx plus c. We substitute and we can use any of the points given here to substitute the value here in order to find the y-intercept. So that is, we can use this, you can use this one 3 and 5, or 5 and 9, or 6 and 11. So let me use this 3 and 5. So the y coordinates of that point is 5, and then the x coordinate is 3. So that this is m is 2 times our x is 3 plus c. 5 equals 2 times 3 is equal to positive 6 plus c. Okay, you get it now? So finally, we have the value now for, okay, 5. When you transpose positive 6 to the other side of the equation, the positive 6 becomes negative 6 equals c. 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 1. Negative 1. Therefore, our y-intercept, therefore, y-intercept, can you see it there? Y-intercept is negative 1. This is now the answer. C is equal to negative 1, or the y-intercept is negative 1. So you will write down negative 1 in your answer sheet as negative 1 only. That is the y-intercept. Okay? I hope that's clear now to you. So I'll give you 5 seconds to have a look at the question number 41. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, now let's erase this one so we can move on to question number 42. Question number 42. Question number 42. Question number 42. Let's have question number 42. What do you think is question number 42? This is question number 42. We have the question number 42. This is the question. That's very easy. It's small on algebra. Performing an operation which is subtracting the algebraic expression. Okay, this is a fractional form of the expression. So, find the value of m. What is the value of m when that's given? 2m over 5 minus m over 3 equals 3. Equals 4. Hey, what's wrong with me? Okay, sorry about that. Now let's have rewrite this one, and then I'll show you how it is being worked out. And you must also know, and I think you know this one, but all you need to do, you have to use your rough paper and work it out yourself as well. So this is the question number 42. We have 2m over 5 minus m over 3 equals 4. So when it comes to this fractional form, you have to simplify the expression by bringing it into one single fraction. So we have the common the highest common factor for 5 and 3 is 15. Meaning you can multiply 5 times 3 equals 15. Then afterwards, you will divide 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 2m equals 6m. Then copy the minus sign. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times m is 5m equals 4. Okay? And this 4 we simplify this one. We collect like terms. 6m minus 5m is equal to 1m, or simply m, all over 15 equals 4. Now this 4 is understood to have a denominator of 1. So you cross multiply. 1 times 1m is 1m, or simply m, is equal to 15 times 4. So 15 times 4 is equal to 60. Okay? The 60 is the answer for 15 times 4. Therefore, the value of m is equal to 60. Okay? So that is the answer for, or the working out for question number 42, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So this is Mr. Delicious. We are now going to finish now for this video for question number 41 and 42. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and always follow and be updated. So when you subscribe, you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Okay? So all the best, and I hope that you are watching this video. That's all for now. Bye.